In this video, we will review the steps for resetting ProjectMatrix. Resetting ProjectMatrix would be required if you received an error in Project Notify that reads, "Cannot connect to the ProjectMatrix Datawarehouse." Another reason might be because you've expanded a catalog in CET, but it says fetching data and never loads. To get started, find the Project Notify icon in your system tray next to the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. You may have to click Show Hidden Icons to find the Project Notify icon. Go to the Project Notify icon and right-click. Next, click ProjectMatrix Data Service to uncheck. A dialog window should appear and then disappear. Right-click the tray icon again and verify that the ProjectMatrix Data Sync service says stopped. Then, click ProjectMatrix Data Sync service. Another dialog should appear and disappear, and then the services should start. Right-click the tray icon again and verify the service says running. Finally, restart the ProjectMatrix app you were using.